So for quartile deviation, we need not require this middle value f into x, f into x square, all these things. So I can delete these columns. But we need cumulative frequency because we need to find out the quartile 1 and quartile 3. Okay, so let me write that quartile deviation formula here. QD is Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2. So for that, we need to find out what is quartile 1 first. Quartile 1 is L1 plus L2 minus L1 M minus C divided by F suffix quartile 1. Here, small m is capital N divided by 4, which will be 92 by 4. So what is 92 by 4? It's 23. So now we need to identify what is this Q1 class. Up to 5, 23 won't occur. Up to 23, yes, it will occur. So our quartile 1 class is this. I can say Q1 class is 9.5 to 19.5. Now, based on that, let us calculate what is quartile 1 first. Lower limit, it is 9.5 plus upper limit, it is 19.5 minus the lower limit, open a bracket, M is 23. C is the cumulative frequency of the class preceding the Q1 class. Q1 class is this, preceding that is this, cumulative frequency is 5. So let me write here 5 divided by frequency of the quartile 1 class. Quartile 1 class is this, frequency is 18. So let me substitute 18 here. Now let's calculate 9.5 plus this is 10 and this is 18 divided by 18. So this and this will get cancelled. So it is 10 plus 9.5, which becomes 19.5. That is our first quartile. Now quartile 3, similar formula, L1 plus L2 minus L1 into M minus C divided by frequency of quartile 3 class. And here M is 3/4 of N, which means 3 by 4 times 92. So how much it is? 92 into 0.75, I can say it is 69. Now let us look into where this 69 is occurring. Up to 5, no. Up to 23, no. Up to 61, no. Up to 81, yes. That means our quartile 3 class is 29.5 to 39.5. I'll say Q3 class is 29.5 to 39.5. Therefore, Q3 is lower limit, which is 29.5 plus 39.5 minus 29.5 multiplied by 69 minus cumulative frequency of the class. The C is cumulative frequency of the class preceding Q3 class. Q3 class we know is it is this. Before that, this is the class. Preceding class is this. And the cumulative frequency is 61. Just a minute. So cumulative frequency of the class preceding quartile 3 class is 61 divided by frequency of the quartile 3 class. Quartile 3 class is this, the corresponding frequency is 20. So let me fill up here 20. So this will be 29.5 plus this is 10 and this is 8 divided by 20. So this becomes actually 80 by 20, which is 4. So 29.5 plus 4 is 33.5. So we got the values of Q1 as well as Q3. Now we can find out what is our quartile deviation. It is Q3, which is 33.5, Q1, which is 19.5 divided by 2. So if we subtract these two, we get 14 by 2. That gives you 7 as the quartile deviation. Then the next relative measure of dispersion is coefficient of quartile deviation, which will be Q3 minus Q1 divided by Q3 plus Q1. Q3 minus Q1 we already calculated, which is available in the numerator, which is 14. Denominator will be 33.5 plus 19.5. So this will become 14 divided by, this will be 9 plus 4, 13, 53. 14 by 53. So what is 14 divided by 53? We get 0.26. So in case if you find the contents of this video to be useful to you, I request you to please like, share it with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.